Rise and grind, man. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video, we got a 2011 Hyundai Sonata GLS. We are doing alternator on it. All right, gonna show you how we're gonna knock that out. Alternator is located right here. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
We're gonna take off our negative battery terminal, 10 mil. So I got a wrench on there, that's a 16 mil. I'm gonna put that on it, get some leverage. Push back on it. And that belt tensioner, release the tension, get the belt off. So we got a 14 millimeter up top. There's two bolts holding the alternator in. One at the bottom. Got my ratchet on it. Alright, that bolt right there won't come out. It's got a 10 mil right here. Want to get that out. It's holding that AC line. Get that out the way. Now you want to get a pry bar and pry the alternator away. Alright, next you just want to flip it up, flip it around, turn it around so you can see that connector for the power wire. And you want to get that off, and it's got a that switch right there. Get that out. Alright, so we got the connector off, the power wire, that's a 12 mil bolt. And now we're gonna try to squeeze it up through here. So what I did right here, I took that out. Got a 10 millimeter bolt holding that. The sensor connector. Got the harness out, and we should have room to squeeze through because this thing kept hitting that. I didn't want it to break. Remove that hose as well, because that was in the way. And the alternator is out, man. Whatever you do, you just gotta maneuver it, flip it around, and find the correct space to get through. And it can come out of there, out of this hole, so no worries. So we matching up. That's that part number. AutoZone. Alright, now we're going back in. Going back in that way. Hook up those connectors, and we back in there. Bolts tighten. Put that belt back on. Alright, that belt is on, ready to start up. Hook up your battery. Alright, man, that's gonna be it. Hope the video helped out. Until next time, man, the Pull-Up King.